Hello, guys, and welcome back. It's your girl Ari. I'm here with a watch me work video, and these is the 4XL stiletto nails. So I had these on for a week because I just took them off yesterday. And baby, when I tell you these are some long nails, everywhere I went, somebody said something about my nails. Everywhere, because they was just that noticeable. And I use, as always, my gelish pH bond with my no lift primer. And I had ended up using the Glow Me the Money by Not Polish, and I'll link that down below as well as all the other products I use. But yeah, these nails are super long. I don't even know how I did it for a week. Like, I ain't even hit my hand or nothing. I was surprised, but as y'all can tell, these is long. And I'm gonna link the video down showing how I apply these nail tips also. But I'm gonna let y'all watch. So this is my Uni Clear that I always use. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, and this is the Not Polished Glow Me the Money. So yeah, it's glow in the dark, super bright. It looks like a neon highlighter, like the old school highlighters. Yes, it's bright. Like when I say everybody was like saying something about my nails, plus they was super long. Yeah. So I'm gonna let y'all watch. So y'all know I always put down a clear layer of acrylic every time before I even apply any color acrylic period. Okay, so I had skipped and jumped to this part because I didn't like the way that I applied acrylic to this pinky. So it just me being nervous because it was a different color. Like I haven't used this color in a while, like maybe a year or so. But all the other nails they came out perfect. I just skipped. I know I said I used my flaw. It was just too much with that nail, and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and cut all the other part out. But I made it work. I ended up fixing it. It just looked lumpy, and it was just I used a bigger bead than I was supposed to. That's why I said just with nails, I should just use smaller beads like I usually do, and I'll learn my lesson. So I'm gonna let y'all watch. Alright, so I had to cut in real quick. The reason why I let normally when you put down a clear acrylic, like when you're doing it as like a background itself, I would have did that first besides using the color because it would have turned it this color, but I wanted the background to be glow in the dark also, which should end up being I put a spider behind it. Well, on top of it with acrylic. So that's why it's this color. So I don't want y'all to try to come for me for like, oh, why your color? Yeah, I did that on purpose. I wanted it, and all of my nails was glow in the dark. So with this, it was like like a little faded glow in the dark look, but it's still glow in the dark. And it was like in the background for my spider. I ended up doing it. So I'm gonna let y'all watch. the pinky didn't go down as well like this. I'm telling y'all, like it was horrible. So I got the hang of it by this. I want to say by the index. I got the hang of the acrylic, which I should have. It's a learning situation. We live, we learn. That's why I always apply this on myself. Like try different stuff first before I try it on a client. But it is what it is. So I know next time what to do and what not to do. But yeah, it got better after each nail. But I just took my time, patted it down. You want to pat it down, blend it, smooth it out, wipe your brush. Make sure you don't have no acrylic in your brush. It's constantly wipe. I sped it up for you guys, but I'm gonna let y'all watch. So yes, this acrylic color is the bomb. Like it's so pigmented. I love it. I didn't think it was gonna be this bright because I haven't, like I said, I haven't used it in a while. But I ended up loving it. I was sorry I had to cut it off, but I had to do some hair. But yes, look at that. So I got better. Like I said, I got better. I'm like, you gotta get yourself together. So I say like, don't try to rush. Which I wasn't rushing. Just they were longer, and I was trying to try something out, and it didn't work. So I'm like, you know what? I like to stick to my regular, which I'm going to end up sticking to. Well, I end up sticking to it on this nail. So it was just smaller beads. They came out perfect. So I'll let y'all watch. I do stuff with my thumb, and I was not about to have my thumb super long like that, and I made it square because, yeah, I couldn't function with all my nails being that long. So I usually make my thumb short anyway. But you see now, like, my application is good. Never doubt yourself. Never doubt yourself. And if it doesn't work, you know you could try something else, which is cool. You live and you learn, but yeah. All in all, I like the way they came out. I really did. Like, I love that color. It was glow in the dark. Like, it was super glow in the dark. Yes. Y'all see the end of the video. I'll show the end, the final look. But I'll let y'all continue to watch. So this is the final look. Look how that is bomb. Bomb, honey. Yes. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later.